How do you post on Instagram? I'm going to show you how, guys. If this video helps you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, please. So on your Instagram, you'll see a plus sign, okay? In my case, it's up here in the top corner. You're going to click on that plus sign. You'll come to the posting page. Notice that down here, you can click on the post option to make a post. You can click on stories to post a story, or click on reels to post a reel. If you notice, look here, it's asking you to allow some settings, both for the camera and the microphone. For posting as well, you need to allow some settings. So you can click here on stories, there's no problem at all. To open the settings, we're going to click here on permissions. The first step is to give microphone permission here, because if you want to record something, you'll be able to. So you click on microphone, it's set to not allow, but you can click here, allow while using the app. I'm going to click here to allow it. Now go back. You also need to give permissions here for photos and videos, so you click to allow access to your gallery. I'm going to click here to allow it, then I'll go back. And here for camera as well, you can click on camera because you also need to allow access to your camera for recordings, okay? So I'm going to click here. I'm going back now. I've given all the permissions. I can already post on Instagram. As you can see, since you've already given the permissions, here I went to the post section, and now all the images from your gallery appear for you to post. So if I want to make a post here with an image, I leave it on post. Here's the image already. You can select another image if you want, and if I want to post this one, I'll go back to the previous one. Once you've selected the image, you click next. Here in this part, you can make some adjustments. As you can see, they've already added a song here that matches my post. If I want to change it, I can click this plus sign here to switch it, okay? I won't let the music play, so there's no issue with the video, but you can change the song, you can simply click on audio, make modifications, add text, filters, and so on. It's up to you. I'm not going to do that. It's fine here, so I'll click next. There you go. The post is ready. This is how it will look. It has the audio, and I can tag people, I can add a location, but I don't want any of that. I just want to share this. So I'm going to click to share. As you can see here, I'm posting, okay? Done! The post has been made. It's showing here the post I just made, okay? So I just made this post here. There's another option too. You can click on your profile picture, and now you click on the plus sign, and then it will also open up for you to make a post. You can click here on post, and it goes straight to the post. If I close here and click on the plus sign again, I can come and select separately. If I want to post a story now, I click, go to the story section, I can choose a template here, I can add music, and I can simply click here on the camera. I can click on the camera and simply start recording the story here. Okay, guys? So that's how you post on Instagram. I hope I helped. If I did, don't forget to help me out too. Subscribe to the channel.